Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about count function in SOQL. So for that, I'm going to write a query. Select count of from account. So account is a Salesforce object. So if I give the count, then I'll know how many number of records available in account object. But if I want to know about a particular field, like how many records is available for that particular field, then what I can give the field name inside the count function. So if I give like this, then I will know only how many records will be available. I'll know about it. So this is how you'll use count function in SOQL. Um, Hopefully you are enjoying this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.